How to bypass Cloudflare protection. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can bypass Cloudflare protections. So let's go ahead and figure out. So the first option that you have is that you send requests to original server. It isn't always possible, but it is one of the easiest way to bypass Cloudflare is to send the request directly to the website origin server IP address instead of the Cloudflare CDN network. Here, instead of having a trick Cloudflare into thinking your requests are from a real user, you instead bypass Cloudflare completely by finding the IP address of the original servers that host the website and send your request to that instead. And the second option you have is to scrape Google Cache version, depending on how fresh your data needs to be. Another option is to scrape the data from the Google Cache instead of the actual website. When Google crawls the web to index web pages, it creates a cache for the data it finds. Most Cloudflare protected websites let Google crawl their website, so you can scrape this cache instead. Scraping the Google cache can be easier than scraping a Google Cloudflare protected website, but it is the only viable option if the data on the website are looking to scrape doesn't change that often. You can follow the on-screen prompt to write on your search bar to scrape the Google cache version. And the next option that you have is to Cloudflare solver. If you can't find the original server and using the cloud cache isn't an option for you, then we need to bypass Cloudflare directly. One way to bypass Cloudflare is to use one of the number of the Cloudflare solvers that solves the Cloudflare challenges. Here are some of the number on the screen that you can look for. However, they often go out of the data and stop working due to Cloudflare update. Currently, the best performing Cloudflare server is Flare Solver. So these are the few ways through which you can bypass the Cloudflare server protection. I hope you find this video to be informative. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.